What's up guys, this is John from Jalen and Wilton out here in San Jose, California. Just wrapped up this Model 3. We only did the front windshield in S9 50% and the front moonroof in 5% to match the rears. The rest of the car was already tinted and chrome deleted by someone else, a different shop. We might get rid of this rear windshield for the customer. Unfortunately, the other shop decided to do it in two-piece. So there's a line right there that goes all the way across. It looks like they used some kind of Sharpie to fill it in as well. They left gaps there and up there. This is supposed to be a very reputable shop out here in the Bay Area, but somehow they managed to do this. So beware guys, you don't want to have to pay twice. And what's so weird about that shop that it's very reputable and they don't want to make it better. I think the reason why they did this was because they didn't have a 5% for the 60-inch, which is required for the rear windshield. So they decided to do two-piece. That is definitely not acceptable. I would have ordered another, if you don't have 5%, don't do it. Order another 5% and 60-inch and do the whole thing right, or just don't do it at all. So we might end up getting rid of that. Again guys, just make sure you do your research. Don't want to end up paying twice like this customer. He's already considering in removing the rest of it as well, just to kind of match, because obviously my film does not match with his. So there you guys have it, quick little video, and hope you guys like it. Thanks guys.